Hi guys, this is Mommy Alona. Welcome on my YouTube channel. Share ko lang sa inyo yung aking okra. Ito yung aking okra tanim dito sa may tapat ng aking, sa gilid ng aking house. Do you know guys, bakit ako nagtanim nito? Kasi I am a diabetic. So, diabetic ako. So, I read one article na ito daw maganda sa katawan. It helps a lot. Yung iinom ka ng okra water, hilaw siya. You're gonna put it in the water, tapos ilagay mo sa rep. In the morning, iinumin mo siya. You're gonna drink it with an empty stomach. So sabi ko, if I'm gonna buy this every day, gastos, di ba? So why not plant it? There's a vacant lot or vacant place na pwede yung kasyang magtanim. So why not, di ba? So yan, nagtanim nga kami. So that makatulong dito sa akin. And thank you God kasi nasusustain niya lahat ng needs ko dito. Sabi, nakaka-harvest kami dito ng more than before, 2 to 3. Pero as it grows na, marami na siya. I have 7 tanim. So I can harvest more than half a kilo of this. And what's amazing with this plant is mistisa siya guys. Yan. So, kaya ako, sinishare ko lang sa inyo for those diabetic people. At saka hindi lang naman actually for diabetic to. Sa lahat, pati sa digestion, maganda rin to guys. So, try nyo din. Kasi ako talagang, this is proven na. I tried it already. Ayan yung aking mga okra guys. And I'm proud to share it with you. I hope you learn something from my video. That's all for the day. Bye guys. It's a safe day everyone. God bless.